Whoa, little sexy! You guys, I have not done that intro in a long time. But what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Or, if it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my favorite lip combo. I'm about to take some birthday pictures. So if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you click the link down below and follow me, because you need to see my birthday pics and find out how old I am. But before you do that, I want you guys to guess and comment down below how old you think I am. Hold on, let me put some lotion on my hands because they look crazy. So it's super easy. If you would like to see it, then just keep on watching. Alright, y'all. Step number 1 is a lip liner, and I always use a brown lip liner. So the lip liner I'm going to be using today is this NYX. And this is in the color, or in the name, it's called Club Hopper. So the first thing I do is line my lips.
This my baby and she perfect for me. You perfect for me. Yeah, you perfect for me. Hey. This my baby and she perfect for me. All I want is you, girl, me and you against the world.
And then I like to go in, and you can see like naturally I have darkness right here, so I'm going to darken that up.
About you, girl. Hey. So don't you think I'll be blind?
And then go like this just to kind of get rid of that harsh line on top. Then I go in with a nude or mauve colored gloss. I'm just going to use whichever one's the fullest. These are not all the same, but I just love this kind of color. So let's open the first one and see if there's enough product in here. Yep, so I just go in.
Cause you perfect for me. You're perfect for me. Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey, this my baby.
Ignore my little pimples and stuff. I'm working on getting rid of those. So now that I went over it with gloss, I'm going to take my lip liner. Now I'm going to overline my lips. So I just, it kind of is going to look like a shadow. So I just go right underneath. Can you see the difference? Okay, so that side, it looks a little bit plumper. And then do the same thing over here. Like that. Looks juicy, right? And now I like to go on top. And I don't draw my skin, but you see this little like ridge right here? I like to color that darker.
My baby, I know what she like. I know what she like. Oh yeah, I know what she like. I know what she like. Oh yeah, I know what she like.
Yeah, so this side it looks like more shadowy, and this side it just looks like pink. See that? Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same thing.
I know. Yeah. Hey girlie, you got it. You know that I want it as soon as.
Now they're looking more plump. Okay, now the last step is to take a clear gloss. I'm using this super cheap beauty supply store lip gloss. This was like, if not 99 cents, it was $1.99. So I'm just gonna take this and squeeze some out. Ooh, and then put it on top.
Yeah, you know that I always got you.
Excuse my ashy hands, child.
Down now. Yeah, you know that I always got you.
Super juicy lips. And this is literally what I do every time I go somewhere, because it just looks so natural. Period. It's my birthday tomorrow, y'all. Can you guess how old I'm about to be? I can't even believe it. Whew. But I'm about to take some pictures. Before all this crazy quarantine stuff was going on, like, man, I was about to slay a birthday photo shoot. But now I have to just like do it on my own. But anyway, I was coming here to show you guys my juicy lips. Is this focused? Hope so. Anyway, I'm about to go take some pictures. Like I said, make sure you follow me Got my green hoodie because my birthstone is emerald. And I really wanted to have on like a fire ass green dress, but this is gonna have to do. Anyway, I'm rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed my how to, I don't know, what am I gonna title this? How I do my lip combo, my favorite lip combo maybe. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.